Brushbond RFX. The description of the product is it's a high-performance, elastomeric, cementitious, waterproof coating. Brushbond RFX is suitable for all type of structures, including those in coastal environment. This product can be used on concrete, brick and blockwork substrates and is equally suitable for new and existing structures. The typical problems observed in any building are due to excess water addition during concreting, due to improper curing, improper compaction, and due to improper shuttering. Waterproof coating has become a mandatory requirement for all concrete structures. Generally, roof slabs are subjected to rain, heat, dust, etc. Due to weather changes, all concrete structures breathe and contract, like your roof slabs, sunken portions, swimming pool, terrace gardening, etc. Hence, these areas are very critical in any structure. Normal waterproof coatings are not elastomeric and they get punctured due to such movements. The result is waterproof coating is damaged and water starts re-entering inside the building, making damp spots, leakages, dripping inside the structure. Ultimately, expensive woodworks, paints starts peeling off. These are some of the views which are generally observed inside any building. Before we start waterproofing, the basic test which is conducted is a water ponding test, which is generally done to check the leakages which are found in any structure. It can be on the roof slab, it can be in the sunken portion, or any areas where waterproofing is found to be mandatory. Once the spots are identified where there are chances of water droppages or drippings, we need to drill the hole, fix up the nozzles as shown, and pressure grouting is done using cement slurry and an expansive additive called Cibex 100 to fill all those gaps inside the concrete. Once pressure grouting is accomplished, then the dampening of the surface is becoming a mandatory process. This dampening is required to clean the surface from dirt and also to moisten the surface so that when a waterproof coating is done, the waterproof coating does not absorb the water from the existing concrete structure. The waterproof coating, that is Brushbond RFX, is mixed as shown. The polymer and water are added, then it's mixed with powder slowly using a slow speed paddle mixer as shown. On the prepared surface, the waterproof coating Brushbond RFX is brush applied as shown. The first coat is applied in the direction as shown in the picture. Once first coat is applied, a 6 hours open drying time is kept so that the first layer is dried. The second coating is done in a perpendicular direction as shown. This perpendicular direction is recommended to form a mesh which makes waterproof coating a reliable coating once the coating is dry. Normally sand is sprinkled as shown. This sprinkling of sand is essential for majorly two reasons. One, lessen the chances of crack that can develop on the surface. Secondly, it forms as a keying coat when we are trying to do any screed or mortars on the top of waterproof coating. Once waterproof coating is dried, then the water ponding again becomes essential. This is due to these coatings being cementitious, it needs curing. The curing is done normally by ponding water as shown. Generally, after any waterproof coating, we always recommend to go for a protection screed. To make a protection screed, we normally recommend to mix the known quantity of cement, sand, water, jellies, admixed with our integral waterproofing liquid, that is Conplast X421IC, at a dosage of 125 ml per bag of cement. We need to mix this particular mortar using a slow speed drill paddle mixer as seen. Once the product is ready, we will pour it onto the cured waterproof coating. And it's laid to the slope on the structure as seen. So the description of the product is Brushbond RFX is a two-part acrylic polymer modified waterproof membrane elastomeric coating. The main features are its excellent bonding to concrete and UV stable club width, chloride and carbon dioxide resistance. The benefits: Brushbond RFX can be used in vast areas such as water tanks, reservoirs, swimming pools, roofs, etc. The coverage theoretically is approximately around 130 square feet for an industrial pack of 15 kgs. The shelf life of Brushbond RFX when unused is 12 months. And the pack sizes which are available are 5 kg for domestic use and 15 kg for industrial usage.